Okay. All right. Hi. Seems like the stream is going. Hello. Welcome to today's live stream for the Plumbers of Data Science podcast. Yeah, it's been a while. Hi guys. I have been a bit busy, and last week, hi Nick, welcome, Sally. Yeah, I've been a bit busy. We had some birthday parties, and I have been working on the cookbook. I just want to show you in the beginning what that's all about. I don't know if you have already seen this. I have been working on the data engineering cookbook. By the way, with this stream was a I was in a lot of hurry because I made some changes to the setup, and I put in another monitor, and then the whole stuff on the desk didn't work out. So I literally I finished this thing 3 minutes before the stream starts. So let's see how this goes. So as you might know, I'm working on a data engineering cookbook. Basically all you need to know about data engineering, and I've put it on GitHub for everyone, free to access and to collaborate on this. And if you can go over it, if you find some errors, or if you have some cool links that you think that might or that should go here, then either you can can open an issue, or you can make the changes yourself and then make a pull request, and I'm going to put it into the release that I'm currently working on. So please make the pull request for the release. So then what we have or what I have done is I can show you the cookbook right now. So the important thing here is the data engineering cookbook PDF that you can download. I've also put in a link here, and so I moved it from version 1 to version 2 because I think I'm confident enough that this is a starting point for the next version, which makes sense right now. And what I have done is I have not worked so much on the overall structure, but what I have done is where is it? On every, as you can hear, I'm using a mouse, so I need to change this. I have added these things here, these tables, and each of these tables links you to a podcast episode that I have done that is interesting regarding this topic. So if you go further, you always find these podcasts. Where is another one? There's some text here. Or if you're going further down and you're looking at the where are the use cases? The case studies, then you can find the episode and then the slides, and the links are now in blue as well. And if you go to the bottom, then the list of tables shows all the podcasts right now, or all the tables where you can find podcast episodes that fit to the topic. And so there was a lot of work. The thing is with LaTeX is the tables are notorious to work with, and that's not so much fun. But once I had a template, I could use the template. Now I just don't like the title of it, because this is exactly this here. Anyway, so right now this is a point where we can start, or where we can continue. What I'm going to continue with is, so if you have a as you can see from the table of contents, there is Why doesn't it let me zoom here? Okay, you can't see this. There is a lot of stuff regarding MongoDB processing. I also added for Nick, I added Nifi and stream sets. Nick sent me a few really interesting links. I need to write a headline for this. One of the videos was over an hour, and unfortunately I didn't have time. Yeah, so Nifi, I added a interesting Nifi blog. No, we can quickly. And this is from, how is it called? Timothy Span. I've seen him on LinkedIn a lot, and he has a lot of use cases and a lot of examples regarding Nifi. And the only thing is I don't really like the structure of this website, because it's quite hard to find the topics. But this is worth checking out, his website, and yeah, using Nifi with Apache MXNet, exporting and importing data from MongoDB in the cloud with Nifi, and so on. So here, this is a interesting, interesting website, and I added this as well. So if you have more, or you can either go to the cookbook, the link should be in the description of this video, or you can send me a mail at plumbersofdatascience@gmail.com. Yeah, Tim, from what I have seen on LinkedIn, that guy gets it. Let's just fix the video here. That guy is really good. How's the audio, guys? It's I tried to turn it up a bit so it's not that silent, because when I worked on the podcast, I found out that the last streams were a bit silent. Okay. Thanks. Yeah, so that was it. So I'm going to continue working on this either way. If I get pull requests or issues, there is still one issue left. I need to work a bit on the file system, because I had a folder had a different name, so lowercase, and I have uppercase or something, and then on Linux you can't compile it. Doesn't matter. So yeah, this is a thing. You can download it for free, and yeah, if you just a quick info, if you want to support me on this endeavor, and if you like this, can check out my Patreon and leave a few bucks. That helps the cause here. But it's if you like it, this is not necessary to get access to the PDF, because I hate this. Yeah. So then I titled, how did I title this stream? I changed the title multiple times here. This stream is titled How to Write from Nifi to Kafka. Okay, a quick recap from last time. Last time on Monday, yesterday, a week ago, I've been trying to get this flow to work from Twitter, to get data from Twitter, and somehow it didn't work. I had no idea why it wasn't working. It just didn't write stuff. And now what I did, of course, I just copy pasted the keys again into the Twitter processor, and it worked. And then what I did, I was just making a put file, and I where was that? In the properties, I just uploaded at the TMP, the temporary file folder of the Docker container, just to access it. And when you, so right now when you let it run here. Oh no, not this one. The whole thing. It runs, and how it works is how it still works. Does it still work? That's okay. Okay, now we can see. I'm just, let me stop this. So there was something with the time delays I've put in. So it read something from Twitter, put out something, and in the put file it said, okay, it received something and it wrote a few bytes, a few kilobytes. And what I then did is I went ahead and I just put this up here, and I entered the Docker containers command prompt or console, and then from there I went to how did I do this again? Okay. I went to /tmp, and then I made an ls, and then you can see the containers, and there should the files in that folder, and there is the one from today. This is the one that we have seen, and with head, what is that called? bf3a JSON. There you can see there's the content of the thing we have received. So as you can see, this thing is running, and it's running good. And if we would let it run any longer, then it would create, like here, it would create a lot more JSON files. But we don't want that. This was just the first stage. So this thing actually works. And just checking the since that's what you have to check out the channel of Pat Patterson. Okay. So the goal that I have for today is to get this into Kafka, and not into the file, into Kafka, and make a console consumer and consume this thing. So what I have already done is I have downloaded the Docker container for Kafka, and now we have to, because this is live, we have to go over the documentation of the Docker container and try to figure out how to let this thing run. I'm not interested in persisting the data, connecting to other containers. This is the thing that we want here. Okay, let's just try this. So it says Docker network. I need to do this dumb way here. Where's the command line? It's on the other side of the screen. So let's try this, if this works. Okay. Okay. Let's attach Zookeeper. I need to set this up differently here. Thought so. Whoa. Mm. Oh, okay. It needs to pull Zookeeper. Okay, then we need to quickly wait for that to happen. I thought the Zookeeper instance was already in the Docker image of. Okay, that went quick. Does that already work now? How was that PS? I always forget this. Docker PS. Okay, there's only. There is only the Nifi thing running. So let's try and run the Zookeeper again. It says it's already up. Team conflict. Okay, it says the container is already in use. Okay. Strange. Does anybody know why I don't see it here? Why don't I see the container here? I only see the Nifi one. Okay. Exited. Yeah, but why is the container killed? That's strange. Let me check something. Oh, man. Okay, I don't know. I don't know if I want to remove it. I can't. How was that? I could. Can I just start the container again? Was that Docker run? As you can see, the whole Docker thing, I know how it roughly works, but I don't use it every day. Container start. Docker container start. Docker container start. Okay, that's dumb. Docker start will also work. Yeah, but how was that? Okay, let's remove it. Docker rm. Docker rm. How is the container name for that? Oh man. Can I put here the ID? Okay. Okay. Now let's just run that one again. Okay, now it's exited. Man. That works great. Have entry point. Docker run container to attach the Zookeeper container to the app tier network. Oh man, it's so hot in here. We had 30 degrees or something in Germany today. How can I use Docker? How can I see the logs for the container? So as you can see, guys, this is okay. That's simple. Docker logs. This one. Authentication. Okay. Bingo. Yeah, that's okay. So it's okay. Allow anonymous login is yes. Okay, so now how do I set this? I'm guessing. Let's just put it. Can I just paste it in there, or how did I? Oh man. Yeah, but what? How do I get this to it? Do I just paste it here, or do I need to? How do I get him this variable? Key is value purple run minus e. Okay. Got it. Thanks. Minus e, and then let's just paste that stuff here. Okay. Now I need to remove it again. Man. Haha. Okay. Don't need quotes. Okay, let's continue with this. Then they say launch the Kafka. Let's see this. I'm guessing this doesn't work either. Launch Kafka server instance. Launch. Okay, server instance. Let's launch this. Copy, and then let's do a lot of copy pasting here. Copy and paste this stuff here, and boom, and exit it. It's working out great, right, guys? Yeah. I thought I could just put this up. The problem is I would have prepared this, but I didn't have time. And I allow plain text listener. To allow container restart the plain text listener. Recommend only for dev. Yes, let's do it. Run Kafka. -E. Paste. Boom, boom. I'm guessing I didn't have to do -E again, right? No, I'm just trying. Maybe I go. Okay. Checking the chat. Yeah, this is again when you don't prepare stuff, then you have to. If this annoys you guys, we can just make a cut here. But I would love to get this thing running. How can I chain these things here, guys? I have here one, and I want to chain the next one. How can I chain this allow plain text here? This here has already a -E. How can I chain this? But nothing. Then why doesn't it work? Just one. What? Yeah, I'm thinking this works either way because we have created this network here, this create app tier driver bridge, and I think this is why this works. So God in heaven, why doesn't this work? Why doesn't this work? Why doesn't this let me? Oh, let me chain this together here with -E. Do I need to do something else? With a backslash or something? I'm guessing I would need a backslash here. Let me just put in a backslash here. I'm just trying. Because if I could play some music, but then no, that doesn't work. But do I get this problem when I remove this? Okay, now it doesn't work anymore. What? Okay, guys, I'm getting annoyed. Why doesn't this? freaking thing start anymore? Ah, okay, I get it. How did we do this? Docker rm then this one. I thought this would be easier. Let me paste this thing like this. This doesn't help. Guys, here's a question. Okay, I have here minus e, and there's a variable that it's already giving the container. And now I want to give it another one. I want to give it this, the one from the error. The one here, allow plain text listener equals yes. So how do I do this thing? How do I do this thing without... Need to work some more with Docker. So annoying. Yeah, I tried a backslash here. Yeah, but how? That's the problem here. I can minus... Yeah, I tried this. I tried this here, minus e, and then here, setting up here another minus e, and then pasting this thing here. Allow plain text listener equals yes. Copy. I can even do it in quotes, but let's paste it here. Allow plain text listener yes. Boom. And if I start... I'm 100% sure I did this before. Here. Ah, okay, that was a part missing. So dumb. Okay, it exited again. Oh man. Okay. If this isn't something very dumb, then let's okay. Cannot connect to the Zookeeper client. Of course not. Unresolved address. Great. Yeah. It's already as you guys expected. So this isn't working with Docker. The thing is, how is that? How is that, guys? Yeah, I linked to Zookeeper 2181, and it said here. Let me just... Here, the Zookeeper is running on 2181. So this should run, shouldn't it? It's a name mismatch? How is that a name mismatch? Ah, okay. Can try this. Oh, of course, it's running. I don't like this. Okay. This looks good. This looks good. Finally, we create a new container instance to launch the Kafka client and connect to the server created in the previous step. Let's just try this. Let's just try this. I'm guessing I have to change this to Zookeeper server as well. No, not getting up there. Let's just try it. It's not working, but doesn't matter. Oh man. Kafka server, Zookeeper server, Nifi. Duck around. Okay, it's of course I cannot. No, I understand. I'm stupid. That works, of course. Now I have to create. So with Kafka, I should only. Here's the Kafka topics. Now here's the list command. The thing I have to do here, yeah, Jerome already said this before, I think. With this, now I get shown nothing because there is no topic. So let's create a Kafka topic. And because I'm absolutely bad in remembering stuff, Kafka create topic, quick start. Okay, let's bring this up here so you can see. Kafka quick start, then create a topic, topics sh, create. I don't know. Yeah, I think that's okay. That's okay. Let's copy this one here. So what I need to do is maybe I can leave out the Bootstrap server because I have the Zookeeper here, but let's just put this thing here. Paste this here. Location factor 1, partitions 1, topic. Let's call this topic Nifi test. Nifi topic. A legal argument. Okay. Yeah. That's what I thought. The I don't need the bootstrap server. Let's just delete this. Boom. Create a topic. Now let's look at it. Not create. I want to list the topics. And here it is. Okay. Now we're in business. Okay. Then the next thing is I need a consumer. How do I do this here? Can I do a console consumer here as well? Kafka cat? Kafka cat. I haven't used that before. Documentation, Kafka cat. Okay, I need to now. This is not built in, as I can see it. Guys, that's not. It's okay, crazy here. Can I? I should be able to run this thing here. Delete this. This thing here. Use, instead of Kafka topics, use, maybe, I don't know if this works with a I don't know if this works with the container here, but let's just try it. Why didn't it copy it? Copy, paste, Nifi topic. I'm thinking I can again leave this thing here. Group deserializer. No, I need the bootstrap. That was right. I need the bootstrap, and this is localhost. Let's just delete the Zookeeper. Could not be established. Okay, that's bad. Did I do something wrong? Guys, what could we do here with this setup now? Or could I get the console consumer running? Here, Ah, okay. Here's again. Here's the Zookeeper problem. Zookeeper minus server. No, that doesn't work. Control Z. Yeah, I'm a bit out of ideas here, I have to admit. What we could do is we could see this in Nifi that we what are the processors that we can have here? Kafka, consume, Kafka. Consumes messages. Kafka 0.9. Okay, this. What version was that latest one? Here. How can I find this out? Kafka latest. So I'm guessing. Oh, guys, how can I find out the version of the Kafka? Lessons. Docker inspect. No. No, that's true. That's true. That's a good idea. Kafka minus topics SH instead of list version. Okay, that totally makes sense. Thanks. Okay, so we are against 2.21. So is there a something in Nifi? 2 something. Yes. Where's the difference between this and this? Don't know. Let's try this one. What does that say here? Please note that at this time the processor assumes that all records that are retrieved from a given partition have the same schema. Okay. If any of the pulled cannot be parsed or written. Holy moly. This looks simpler. So let's do it like this. Let's cut this here. Come on. Everything is okay, it's not everything stopped. So let's delete this here. Let's do the put file here. We consume from Kafka, we write to Kafka. Processor Kafka. Publish record 20. Okay. Kafka brokers. Now here comes the trick. I think that should work. Topic name, Nifi topic. Can I set your value? No. Choose security plain text. Do I need to set this? JSON. Oof. I want to JSON tree reader, JSON path reader. Parses JSON records and evaluates user-defined JSON paths against each JSON object. Parses JSONs into individual record objects while the reader expects each record to be well-formed JSON. Let's use this one here. Let's wing it. Boom. Record reader. Record writer. Create new service. JSON record set writer. Boom. Create. Save changes. Yes. Ooh. Yes. Enable. Close. Let's enable this stuff. Okay. Then pull this one here. Okay. And then take this one and put it here. We don't have Kerberos. Topic name, Nifi topic. Okay, nobody says something, so I'm guessing this. But this has again a delivery guarantee is invalid because in order to use transactions, the delivery guarantee must be guarantee replicate delivery. I think this is sets on here. Access, success. Let's set success. We should only have 2. Let me just check this. Yeah. Okay. Delivery guarantee. Where's the delivery guarantee? Delivery guarantee. Signal no delivery. What? Must be guarantee replicated deliver. Okay. Okay. Invalid because group ID is required. Okay, the consumer group. Because every consumer has a consumer group, and for the consumer group, the offset, basically the messages that you have already gotten, are getting stored. So what we are going to this, we call it Nifi consumer. Okay, apply. Okay. Let's just put this here. All the time I'm hearing Nick screaming in the background. Should have done it in stream sets. Okay, let's try these two. Let's start publish record here. And let's start the Twitter thing. Okay. That looks bad. Nick is bored because this takes way too long. I'm bored as well. This thing isn't working. Okay. Now we have errors. Received error. No. Okay. Kafka record. This is more interesting. Failed to process session to timeout. Okay. Nick's patiently waiting. Let's stop it. So there is stuff queued here. Let's stop this. So this is not working. All good, Nick. If you have some ideas here. So this isn't working. Timeout exception. So I'm guessing that he has problems. But it's 1992. It does? Okay. Okay. In my Kafka server, I haven't mapped ports. You mean here? But what ports I'm using here? 1992. So if the server is running and I can, why would I use these ports? I want to have it on 1992. What do you mean? I just type here docker run p 1992. That makes no sense. Does it? Does it? Because when it says here that okay. But don't I? You mean the the start of the server was wrong. Don't you mean that? That when we have started here the server instance, we should have also do -p and that is stuff. Don't you think? That's true. I can do that. That's true. Let's because I think it's running. Server instance Kafka -. Yeah, let's try this. Now if I here Kafka, oops, Kafka -server. Okay, apply this thing, run. These are old errors. 30-second. No, that doesn't work. Okay. Failed to process session due to failed to construct Kafka producer. This is a different one. Administratively yielded for 1 second. Kafka exception failed to construct Kafka producer. Oof. Yeah, I'm guessing the connection is okay then with this, because it's Kafka common Kafka exception failed to construct producer. Let's Google this. Kafka failed to construct server. Let's bring this in here. Failed to construct config exception, but I don't really. Let's look at this Stack Overflow here. Okay, that doesn't help. Hortonworks gone. This doesn't help either. Let's look at it again. What did it say? Failed to construct Kafka producer process administratively yielded for 1 second. Kafka exception. Let's stop this thing for a second. Let's just again look at the yield duration here. What is that? Okay, it doesn't work. Great. I'm hoping that we're not on the that we're on the right. Reader enabled. General controllers. Let's just check something. Second link with a Google was about the bitnami. Second link. Oh, okay, yeah, that's right. Troubleshooting. This one here. If there's errors and limit authentication, run the following command to export Kafka conf file with required credentials for the authentication parameters. Authenticate. Can I set here authentication? Hmm. I don't see anything here. Security protocol. This can be. But to what? To SSL? Okay, let's try SSL. I need to set the SSL controller service. Yes. How did I do this? Controller services plus SSL. Standard SSL. Restricted. Let's do this one. Okay. I have one. Come on. Don't I have a controller service here? How can I get to those controller services? Controller settings. No. What? What? Man, this is annoying. Invalid. Invalid. Why is this invalid? Yes, of course I don't have a key store. Okay, this is getting annoying. Now I need to create a key store. How do I do this? I guess this needs to be on the Nifi Docker container. Those need to be set up on Kafka program. I think I'm going to bail here, guys. Javier, but what Do you know how I should do this quickly? Because this is getting off. No. Or can I set the? Can I set Kafka? Didn't I set Kafka somewhere to plain text? Wasn't that plain text somewhere? Didn't it say you're setting it to plain text? This should be only for this should be only for testing purposes. Allow plain text listeners. Okay, this is only for listeners. This is okay. Okay. This is not getting me any further. Yeah, but so if I yeah, that's also that's right. That's right. I once had this problem where I was making firewall changes and I or set up and I set up for a Kerberos and for a SSL cluster. I set up port 1992 and it didn't work because I needed 1993. And also one time I tried to get a console consumer up and running, and I tried everything, and then a colleague of mine looked at it and he said, Andreas, you're using 1992. It's SSL. You need to use 1993. So this should then not be SSL here. Of course not. What is SASL plain text? But basically this should be it should be plain text for this. That's I know it makes no sense, but let's just run it again. I want to see the error again. Okay, there's it already. Fail to construct Kafka producer. So we should be right here with plain text as a security protocol. This should not be a problem. Compression type doesn't make any sense. JSON reader should be okay. Nifi topic. Kafka minus server 1992. Use transaction. Can we set this to false? I don't want transaction and I want best effort. I just want to have it really, really stupid. Okay, it doesn't work. This has nothing to do with this. No. Wasn't there another publisher? Kafka, publish, Kafka record. What did we use? Kafka publish or publish record? Okay, let's use the other processor. Kafka publish Kafka here. Let's use this just for fun. Okay, I can't do this. Kafka my server, ask the broker, security protocol plain text, guarantee best effort, use transactions. No, we don't want transactions. UTF, everything looks good. No Kerberos, nothing. No key tab files. What does it say? Okay, these things here, settings, failure, success, boom, 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 boom. And then it said, topic name, of course. Yeah, sorry. Where was it? Topic name here. Nifi topic. Okay, okay. Delete. Queue not empty. Can I just okay, let's run this. I'm guessing this doesn't work either. No. Same problem. Yeah. Okay, so as we can see, this is not as simple as we thought. Damn it. Oh man, why doesn't this work? Failed to construct Kafka producer. What did they say here again? Of course. Can share this link. How do I share this link? Because I'm on a different computer here. I just need to. I need to go to YouTube on this machine. I'm live now. Oh no, yes. Sucking at writing from Nifi to Kafka. Creator Studio. Has anybody seen the new Macs? New Mac Pro, by the way? I've seen this yesterday. That thing is crazy. The new Mac Pro. Of course, you can read it here. Thanks, Javier. Yeah, new Mac Pro. I because I was looking to in the future to get a new Mac here, and I'm not going to get a Mac Pro, but I was really impressed with the Mac Pro. Yeah, so I don't know. I have no idea why this isn't working. It's a strange message. I don't know if you can go any further in the logs here. Can you go any further? View status history. Processor. Can I see more logs here somehow? Templates. Summaries. Here, publish Kafka. was other ports. Hmm. I can't really. Okay, I'm stuck for now. I'm stuck for now. I don't think I can figure this out right now. The only thing that would help quickly here is if someone of you knows this, but I'm not getting this thing done. No. It's almost midnight here. I need to get up at 6 tomorrow or earlier. Okay, guys, let's make a break here. Maybe we can figure this out, or I can figure this out, or you guys can help me figure this out. Till the next session. I don't know. I have something else to talk about. Maybe I come on tomorrow for a quick stream, like half an hour. I have some other things, and on Thursday, on Thursday, I have some guests on the stream. At least one guest, from a German company from Zalando. They are selling you lots of stuff. Like one thing I've ordered from them are shoes in the past, and it's one of our data engineering case studies. I'm not sure if I can do it live. It's 9:15 in the morning. And either we stream it or I make a recording and then do it later. So what I do is I'm going to do home office and then take a break from home office, and we do the stream or the recording, and then yeah, we're having another case study. Dragonfly, how should I retitle this stream? How to part 1. Part 1 with lots of fails. Yeah. Let's do it like this. I'm going to retitle it, and yeah, I'm going to set up. I think I'm going to try to set up a stream tomorrow. What I want to talk about tomorrow. Let me just. Yeah. Okay. It's a surprise. All right. Then let's stop here. Let's give it a rest. You in the recording you can see what I have done, and you can quickly go over this yourself and try to figure out what I have done wrong, and then let's meet here again. Great stream, guys. Yeah, really. Yeah, well done. I hate it when stuff doesn't get finished, but maybe I want to do too much. Let's work through this, and I'm sure we get this done. Have a great night, great day, and yeah, try hit thumbs up on this stream, and if you It would be great if you share it on social media. Then, bye bye. Don't want to keep you any longer. See ya tomorrow. Or yeah, tomorrow is Wednesday. Yeah. Let's do a stream tomorrow. Bye bye. It's the usual schedule, Wednesday. Okay. Bye bye.